Hearty welcome to you. So we are solving some problems, finding out the general solution of trigonometric equations. This is a problem we have to solve together. If a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta has theta 1 comma theta 2 as its solutions, then show that tan of theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to b by a. First of all, let's try to expand tan of theta 1 plus theta 2 to see what actually it looks like. So this is nothing but of the form tan of a plus b equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So if I do that, I see that what I have here is tan of theta 1 plus tan of theta 2 by 1 minus tan theta 1 tan theta 2. This is nothing but equal to tan of theta 1 plus theta 2, because this is following the same formula, tan of a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Now, if theta 1 theta 2 are solutions of this equation, then tan theta 1 tan theta 2 should be solutions of equation which is in the form of tans. That means I have to convert this equation into tan. Then I can say that tan theta 1 tan theta 2 will be nothing but equal to, from there the I can use quadratic equations, whatever the formulas we have, sum of the roots equal to minus b by a and product of the roots equal to c by a. So this is sum of the roots, this is product of the roots. If this equation is converted into tans, so let's go ahead and try to convert this into tan. Then once we get this, we'll simply substitute in this formula and we will get it b by a. Okay, let's go ahead. Now, first step what we have to do, we understood that I have to prove something in tan. That means I have to convert this into tan. So, you know that cos 2 theta is nothing but equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus b into, you also know that sin 2 theta is nothing but equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is equal to c. I missed here, there is equal to c. That is when it becomes an equation, equal to c. Pardon me for that. Okay, let's go back. Now we have to convert. We can see that now everything is in tan. So let's simplify that. Just let's simplify that. A into 1 minus tan square theta plus 2b tan theta. If I multiply this whole thing with 1 plus tan square theta, this is what I will be getting. C into 1 plus tan square theta. Oops. Now let's get this into the form of ax square plus bx plus c, so that I can say sum of the roots equal to minus b by a and product of the roots equal to c by a. Okay. Now we have to get this in the form of a tan square theta plus b tan theta plus c, correct? In that particular format we have to get it. This is just for reference. Okay. Let's now look at all the tan square theta terms. I have minus a tan square theta here and I have c tan square theta here. So if I bring that side, this becomes c plus a into tan square theta, and I will take 2b tan theta to that side because I am moving everything from left hand side to right hand side, minus 2b tan theta plus I have a here which will become minus if I comes to the right hand side. So this is c minus a equal to 0. Now you can see this is in the form of a tan square theta plus b tan theta plus c equal to 0, where tan theta 1 tan theta 2 are the roots of it. Because if theta 1 theta 2 are the solutions of a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta equal to c, tan theta 1, tan theta 2 will be solutions of the equation which is in the form of tans. Now, sum of the products. Let's go ahead. We'll just change the color. Okay, right. Tan theta 1, we know that tan theta 1, tan theta 2 are the solutions of this, roots of this. So, tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 equal to minus of b by a, that is minus of minus 2b by c plus a, that's nothing but equal to 2b by c plus a. Similarly, product of this, that is tan theta 1 into tan theta 2, that's nothing but equal to, we know the formula, it's a c by a. My c is c minus a by a. A is nothing but equal to c plus a. Now, we got tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2, we got tan theta 1 tan theta 2. So, we can go ahead now and we can prove what is needed. What is needed is we have to prove tan theta 1 minus theta 1 plus theta 2, that's what we have to prove. This we know is nothing but equal to tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 by 1 minus tan theta 1 into tan theta 2. Now we already have values for all of them. We have just found them. Tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is 2b by c plus a by 1 minus tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is nothing but equal to c minus a by c plus a. Let us simplify this. This is nothing but equal to tan theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to, now 2b by c plus a into, I can take c plus a top. This simplifies c plus a minus c plus a, that's nothing but 2a. You can see that this cancels out. There is a 2 which cancels out and you are left with b by a. That's what we have to prove. We have to prove that tan of theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to b by a. That's what we have proven. So, what's the approach for this? We have been given that a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta equal to c. For this equation, theta 1, theta 2 are its solutions. Now, we have been asked to prove something in terms of tan of theta 1 plus theta 2. If theta 1, theta 2 are the solutions of this equation, then tan theta 1, tan theta 2 will be roots if this equation is converted into tan theta. So, we have done that. We have got it in the form of a tan square theta plus b tan theta plus c. So that I can say tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 equal to minus of b by a, tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 equal to c by a. Now after that we have just substituted in the formula to get tan theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to b by a. So see you in the next video where we will solve some more problems as part of trigonometric equations, finding out the solutions. Okay, thanks for visiting. Bye for now.